I am bricks in blue. I am a visual dichotomy of happiness and sorrow. The bluebird lights on my head, even though I am covered with bricks and incapable of moving, breathing. I struggle by being bound. But the bird on my head reminds me that my soul can be joyful. It is the bluebird that lights on my head, even though the blue color of my skin represents the sadness or sorrow, blue, like jazz. I am bricks in blue, and I am a dichotomy. I am bricks in blue, I am duality. Joy will rest on me even when I'm bound by walls of circumstance. My sister will lie down with me and soothe my wounds with empathy. I am not alone. I lie down in darkness, covered in peace. The pulse of my heart against this fortress bruises me, but it will not yield the love of community. Trust unlocks the secret of my internal paradise.